Hey guys, so welcome back, and this is how to authenticate my Namecheap email address on a Convertkit. So guys, first just simply go ahead and click on your profile on the top right over here, and then go to the settings over here on the drop down. And after that, just simply go to the email on the left side over here, and now just simply click on set up your verified sending domain. So just simply click on this one, and from here just simply enter your domain, and remember it must be a root domain. So this will be the example. And now once you have provided your domain over here, just simply click on next and just simply provide all of the necessary information needed in order for you to add your sending domain. And now once you have done that, guys, just simply follow the ConvertKit's instruction in order for you to add your CNAME and TXT records as well. And now just simply go ahead and log in into your domain provider, which is Namecheap. And from there, just simply navigate to the advanced DNS records and just simply click on manage on your domain. So just simply add your CNAME record with the host and target values provided by the ConvertKit. And after that, just simply go ahead and save changes and just simply repeat the process for the second CNAME record. And also, guys, add the TXT record with the host and value provided by ConvertKit. And from there, just simply go ahead and click on Save Changes. And from there, just simply wait for DNS records to update and refresh until you see the verified green check mark. And there you go. And guys, remember that this process is for ConvertKit, and other services may vary. And guys, make sure that your domain DNS records are properly verified for email functionality. And that's simply about it. See ya.